and welcome to R&B Models with Rick and Brandy. Today we're going to go through all of the models we picked up at the Acme car show in Cartersville, Georgia. Acme stands for Atlanta Car Model Enthusiasts. Starting with one that Monster wanted, and it's Dan Fink's Metalworks Speedwagon, California wheels, copyrighted 2015. We paid $10 for this one. This was one I really liked. I was excited to see this one. And it is Ecto 1A Ghostbusters, copyrighted 2014, and I got it for 20 bucks.
We think it's from the second movie, because it's got 2 on the side of it. So.
Yeah. But I was really looking forward to that one. Okay, then we also picked up this 83 Hearst Oldsmobile Special Edition, copyrighted 2016, and we paid $15 for this one.
This is one of my favorite looks of this body style automobile, the Hearst Oldsmobile.
And this is one that Rick was real excited about getting, and this is Chevy Silverado C1500, and it's copyrighted 1989, and he got it for $35. I was real excited to see this one here. It's Chevelle El Camino pickup with custom camper, and of course it's a new one, so it's copyrighted 2023. We paid $28 for this. Now when we saw it, there was only 2 at the table, and so but I've been looking forward to wanting to get that one.
Yeah, I'm an El Camino guy, so I like it.
I wanted it because of the camper. And then we found this, a 1980 Dodge Ram Charger, copyrighted 2016. Now we did pay $30 for this one. This was the only one of this one that we saw in the entire show.
They're getting harder to find. That's the reason we got it.
Now I did see one other of these, but we picked up the 66 Chevy Suburban, copyrighted 2017. We picked this one up for $27. Oop, whoops. Sorry. Okay. Then we picked up this 1980 Jeep Honcho. Whoops. Ice Patrol. It's copyrighted 2017. We paid $15 for this one. And the last one we picked up was this Chevy race truck. It's 52 AC Delco. It's copyrighted 1996. We paid $10 for this one. We've not had any race trucks yet, so we thought it would be nice to get.
Yeah, I never done one of these, so I wanted to try one. See, I'm sure they ain't much different than the cars, but I'm a truck fan, so.
Well, that was everything that we picked up at the show. We hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'd like to thank you for watching, and we hope you have a great day. Bye!